YouTube male cat lady here. Today I'm doing an unboxing and I guess kind of a mini review of a new Ethernet cord from brand Danyee. Bought it on Amazon, about 20 some bucks. The Cat 7. This is, I believe, about a 50-foot cord. Yep, made in China. It's braided. It's flat. Yeah, let's get into it. So I have a lot of Cat 5 cables laying around, and I wanted something that someone manufactured for me instead of some bulk cable that I've made my own cables with that haven't turned out very well. I wanted to, buy one. Probably should buy it. We'll see how good this one works, but buy one that someone else made, that someone I didn't made, that I can troubleshoot and stuff with. But here we go. It's got it's got a nice little fitting on the top, or connection on the top, if you want to call it that, or whatever you want to call it. Snag free, and some probably not actual gold plating because it doesn't really matter, but it looks nice sheathing. But yeah, you can see how it's nice and flat, braided, very pretty, looks quality. But yeah, it on their Amazon page here, they claim 600 megahertz transmitting data, 10 gigabytes per second, blah blah blah, 1 year warranty and stuff like that. Comes with a nice little named cable managing thing. Comes very nicely packaged, actually. It has a lot of good reviews on Amazon. Of course, you never know really how many of those are accurate. But yeah, the cable feels good. It's got several different colors you can buy. At least 4 different colors. I think all the wires in here too look like they're shielded and individually wrapped inside here. So I got my laptop over here. As you can see in a little video clip here, the ping and speed results, wow, of this guy here. It is having no issue at all maxing out my current what I pay for up and down from Charter. So I'd say this cable works just fine. It looks like it's pretty well made. I guess you can't really say anything negative about it. It's nice, it's flat, it's braided. So for you pet people, if you have an exposed cable, well, my cat likes to chew the Ethernet cords, so braided cords he leaves alone. So this might be a good option for you pet people that pets like to chew cords that are a nice rubbery texture. Yeah, honestly, so far so good. If I have any complaints in the future, I'll definitely update this video, but yeah, so far it's meeting all my expectations and needs from a Ethernet cord. So yeah, thanks for watching, and if you want to buy a Danyee cable, head out to Amazon and check them out. They seem pretty reasonably priced, well made, good product for the money. Cool, thanks for watching.